To monetize an app on the Play Store, the first step is to configure subscriptions in the Google Play console. And in this video I'll walk you through how to set up subscriptions, how to get out of setup issues and make it work. When you are in the console and selected your app, go to Monetize with Play, Products, Subscriptions. If you see this message, your app doesn't have any subscriptions yet and then you need to upload the new APK. This is normal because you probably don't have any. If you uploaded it to any of the test tracks, it doesn't count. It has to be coming from the closed test track. So if you click on that link and you will see this closed test alpha, that's where you need to upload your release. And it is not enough to upload the release, you have to include the Google Play billing in your release. It doesn't matter if your app doesn't have any logic with the Google billing library, but it needs to be integrated. In my case on React Native, I use React Native purchases. This is a bit strange, but you need to do this only once. You can publish multiple times to any other test tracks, but at least one release needs to be on the closed test track. After uploading, manage your testers. Check that this track is active. Go to manage track, testers. This needs to be checked for the testers to be approved. If you push the new release, you also need to publish that release, so it needs to go from review to published, but the wait time is not too long. I think it's almost immediately. Until all of that happens, you won't be able to configure subscriptions. And if you listen to me and once your release is live, you should see this page in the subscription settings and start creating subscriptions. Click on create subscription and then you can fill your product ID and the name. For example, it can be Pro V1, and when you click create, you will add the subscription details and then you describe your benefits. For example, it can be no ads, no limits and so on. And this is description for yourself. This at the bottom I don't touch. Just click save changes. It's important to note if you have a localized app, here you would add your translations. So if you added the benefit in English, translate it to any other language that you need. If we go back to Pro, base plans, you need to have at least one base plan. And this kind of plan is since I'm describing subscriptions, this is where you set up your recurrence. So you can set up any kind of recurrences in your subscription that you want. I usually create a monthly and a yearly. Yearly is discounted and choose your settings. And this is where you set the prices. You need to select countries where you want to sell your app, and easy as that. Set your price, click on update, and all of the VAT will be appended to your price. And then the last step is to activate that subscription. So setting up subscriptions in Google Play Store is actually easy. A little bit more complicated is setting it up in the Google Play billing, or in my case React Native purchases. Thank you for watching this video.